Correct. It's not a funeral system.
It's not a funeral. According,
We tried our best. It's just in the technicality. Our coach was supposed to put a striker. It's fine. The only mistake but you need either Makgoba or Mabasa and so on. Experienced strikers. But we forgive the coach. They tried for the fact that it is 23 goals.
without the striker.
Yes, without a strike. Imagine if it's Besno Mabasa, Bekzowenzala something. But Mina,
You're traveling now.
we lost the game on first round. First round, yes, they scored. They scored again. We were supposed to say, you know what, let's be
All
stable.
domestics are collector.
Let them, they are leading 2-0. Let's rest
And the performance
until Sizobuyela ekhaya,
It's the
sizirethink,
beauty we are out, but we're going
But the coach even make it worse. I don't blame the coach. Mistake happened. But you are supposed to put a striker. The whole of first half, we didn't even have one striker. One striker. Supposed to put Mabasa, experienced striker, or Makgoba, experienced striker. But in terms of unlocking them, because they were trying to frustrate us in terms of rotating the ball. Number 11, a red card. We scored the goal. Puma Bubo. Because they will try everything in their book or even unsettling. So now that red card was unnecessary. But doesn't blame me. It's part of football, experience first in Africa. We are Remy African CAF. Yonke into ezakele namhlanje asingayithathi negative. It's 3 goals we scored. We regroup. And I'm telling you right now, and mark my word, Pirates is gonna win 3 cups, if not 4.
Starting with the Black Label.
Yeah, we're going to win Black Label. We're going to retain Nedbank Cup. We're going to win the league. So this is not bad. It's a blessing in disguise. So as guys, we need to regroup. We need to actually take this game as a learning lesson. We lost, yes, it's good enough. Next season, we're going to come for CAF again. CAF is not going anywhere. We'll always play CAF. Let's not worry about this lose. It's fine, we lost, we tried. But next cup, it's Black Label. We need to secure it. We need to secure Nedbank. We need to secure the league. Those three, Mamela, those 4 cups. We also, I'm John. So,
But all I want to say is, we're about to wrap up now.